Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna review this one and this one. And I don't know, these two is the best everyday use flashlight, and you need two batteries for this one, and you have on knap, difference on knap on this you click here and you see. Then we have this one, and then you go and and you turn upside. So you see, this is why I think this is everyday use, and then this is the best lamp. The cheap but cheap price for everyday use. So more, they have this a magnet, so you can put it on the fridge on both sides. This is a flat one, this is more different one. So this is a great product, my personal use, cheap and good product for the cheap price. And I'll leave a link what you can buy this product in the description if you want it. And that's for today's video. Bye.